Today is Tuesday, August 5th. This is a 1967 to 1970 Cadillac Eldorado dual A and B air conditioning hoses. These are the original beautiful mint condition air conditioning hoses. And the two examples, often referred to as the A and B hoses, comprise the evaporator hose, which goes from the back of the adapter block connected to the lower section of the adapter block all the way back to the suction throttling valve of the evaporator area near the fiberglass box by the firewall. This is the large hose. Okay, this is a 5/8 diameter 7554 USR 5/8 hose with the proper fittings and connections in order to facilitate connection to the rear of the A6 air conditioning Frigidaire compressor. Okay, that has the adapter block universal connector for these two very specific hoses. And the other hose that we have here is the smaller diameter. Okay, let's see if we can get the number. This is the half-inch USR hose. This is for the condenser. This is often referred to as the discharge hose or the high-pressure hose. And this goes to the front condenser unit immediately adjacent to the radiator. And connects also to the adapter block in the upper location. So we have the A and B hose, the discharge and receiving hose for the evaporator and the condensers. And in this particular application, I'll be sending the smaller discharge condenser hose to my friend Jess Henry. And this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorado, over 375,000 original vintage 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, the radios and powers antennas, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, such as these beautiful condition A and B air conditioning hoses for the Frigidaire compressor. Today is Tuesday, August 5th. Thank you very kindly.